This video will be an unboxing, setup, and review of the AngelGuard A1 wireless baby monitor. Alright, so let's just go ahead and jump right in here and see what's in the box. Here, of course, is our user manual. Okay, and here looks like we have a couple of USB cables, charger adapters, and screws to mount it to the wall. Here's the actual camera. That's kind of neat. Got the speakers right here where these headphones are at. Of course, there's the camera. Little programming button there. Guessing that's, and that's where the USB cable plugs into. And here's the little monitor. Okay, so according to the user manual, the camera comes out of the box already paired. So I'm going to try powering it on without charging. Let's see what happens. Okay, so it's going out looking for the camera. Okay, so I'll go ahead and plug this into power and we'll see how well it works. Okay, so they're both powered on. Oh, it did connect. And they're way too close together. Okay, to pair the camera, first of all, they do advise to have it about 3 feet away. It emits some tones, and that can cause some issues with it. So I'm going to turn this camera on, set it away. To pair the camera, hit Menu, Cameras, Position to pair it in, Add Camera. Camera's not repaired, hit OK. Start pairing. Please short press the camera's set key. So I'll go in here and just hit that. And it's done. It's that simple. So that's how you pair it. And of course, to remove one, you just go ahead in here and select the camera and then hit minus, and that will remove it. And same thing, hit OK, and it'll then delete it out. So it looks like it does have some power to it already, although there's not much. So it looks like I probably need to charge that. Let's see if we can navigate through the menu real quick. So in the menu, there are options for cameras. You can add up to, looks like 4 cameras. And then sound detection. Temperature alarm. lullabies. It actually plays music. Then sleep mode, which will turn it off at a certain interval. And then settings. To set the date and time, select the little clock here. Use your left and right arrows to scroll through, and then up and down to change. And then press OK to enter it. If you don't press OK, it will not enter your settings. Good. This is a factory restore. I don't need to do that right now. Information shows the software install and all that. And then you get your alarm notification, turn it on and off. So that looks like that's it for settings. One thing that I do notice on this one versus some of the other ones that I have used, that I've done reviews on, is this one doesn't appear to save the video. This is just a real-time monitor. So the video quality seems to be really good on this. And again, the one thing that I noticed that seems to be missing from the other one is you can't record from it. Oh, awesome. So that is, the temperature is the reading of the room temperature. I actually placed my hand over the probe a minute ago, and it went up to 90 degrees. So that's kind of nice that it will show you what the temperature of the room is. So if you want to mount it to the wall, it's got these mounting holes right here. So just 2 screws, and just slide them on the screws, and then you can mount it, say, directly over the crib so it can look down into it. Because it won't quite go all the way down otherwise when you're rotating it back and forth. It'll go a little past even. So you probably actually want to mount it on the wall above the crib. Okay, so that was the Vantrue AngelGuard A1 baby monitor. The video quality is really good. Unfortunately, I can't really show you that other than what I'm showing right here on the camera. Some of the positives that I see about it is the easy connectivity. It's pretty much already set up when you receive it. Portability. It's got that sleep function. I like that lullaby function too, so you can actually play music through it for your child, which that can, act as a dual purpose thing for you. I like that it pivots and has 360-degree view. That it tilts up and down. So that is a big bonus over some of the other baby monitors where you pretty much have to set them and they're at where they're at. It also has night vision, which is really nice. Video quality is good in using the infrared as well. It has good range too. I currently have the monitor in my basement, and the camera will reach up into the second story up on the opposite end of the house without any problem. So that's good. And it apparently has a super zoom feature too, so you can select OK and that will zoom it in. So that's a nice handy feature as well. So overall, I like the camera. The only thing that I see that it might be lacking is the ability to record. Typically on a baby monitor, you don't really need that. It's a nice system. It's easy to install. It's self-contained. No apps are needed to download or anything like that. Just simply hook this monitor up and you're good to go. Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please select like down there and subscribe to my channel. If you didn't like it, well, subscribe to the channel. Maybe you like the next one. Thank you for watching. This video will be a review of me hitting stuff on my desk.